guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have received a lot of questions on how I got my hair like this. So for today I am going to do a tutorial on how I got my hair like this, and I hope you guys love it. Stay tuned. Okay, so first I start with this comb. You can use whatever comb you like to go ahead and part your hair down the middle, which I did already, and put this side up in a pony. That's exactly what you're going to be doing. I use Annie Jackie's curl and coils. I scrunch my hair with this. The wet look I use with this. I just honestly love this to lay my edges and everything. So you're gonna go ahead, some type of gel or something to lay your edges and your hair down. Just a little bit, I rub it, and then I'm going to go ahead, let me separate that, and just rub it in so it lays your hair flat. It's literally all you need. If you're having a hard time laying your hair, this is something I use. It's a brush to tease hair, but it also is an amazing layer. Lays those hairs right. So we're gonna go ahead in after I do that. We're gonna tie it up. Ooh, all right. Now we got two pigtails laid back, beautiful. If I had edges to lay, which today I'm not really going for that look, with the same gel I use, I put a little bit, I put it on my toothbrush, and I just go in and lay them down. So I know that it's going to stay down. I have my Redken hairspray. Any hairspray will work. Just the one I have. It's gonna go ahead and give it a good spray, and then I just take my hands, because I already know I laid it pretty good with my brushes, but just so it stays in places and we don't get any flyaways. Then I'm going to get two other scrunchies, your choice of if you want little rubber bands or however to secure that this is gonna stay in. I just quickly braid my little pigtails, and I do this just so my hair pieces actually have something good to hold on to. I don't even tie it, I just wrap it and then with my scrunchie secure it. This is just giving it a little bit something more for the clips to grab onto, so you're not out throughout the day and your hair pieces fall out, because you know, that would not be cute. So I'm gonna quickly do this other side. You know, during this quarantine, man, thank gosh for videos, because all I've been doing is talking to myself. Same thing, secure it nice and good. Okie dokie. Now for people who have tender heads, this just might not be for you, because I don't have a tender head, but how tight these are, they do start to hurt. So now, here we are during the process. I have these two hair pieces. It's something that I love to wear when I go to work. I just throw one quick one in, then I don't have to worry about my hair all day. But your girl got two. So you're going to go ahead and take it. It does have a clip on the top and a clip on the bottom and elastic band. So put that over it, clip the one in. I grab my other clip and stick it in the bottom. This is placing it around the bun. Like I said, if you have a tender head, this is not going to be for you. Take your elastic, pull it, and just keep wrapping it until you barely have any string left, and then you tuck it. So I typically get 2 times around. There's that. I'm gonna go ahead, other piece, same thing, tuck it. Got a clip, and then here's my elastic piece. Tighten it and wrap it. With this one having a whole nother scrunchie in that side, it is a little more difficult, but you'll get it. And then ta-da! We have this gorgeous two-piece hair piece with beautiful, it's all tucked away, and that is the look. So if you guys liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And anything else that you would love to see me do and teach you guys, please leave a comment below. Let me know what else you guys would love to see from me. And I hope to see you on my next video.